Here are a few tips from Saint Francis de Sales for battling depression. 1. Make use of hymns and spiritual songs. They have often frustrated the evil one in his operations, as was the case when the evil spirit which possessed Saul was driven forth by music and psalmody. 2. It is well also to occupy yourself in external works, and that with as much variety as may lead us to divert the mind from the subject which oppresses it, and to cheer and kindle it, for depression generally makes us dry and cold. 3. Use external acts of fervor, even though they are tasteless at the time. Embrace your crucifix, clasp it to your breast, kiss the feet and hands of your dear Lord, raise hands and eyes to heaven, and cry out to God in loving trustful aspirations. Mine eyes long sore for your word, my Lord, when will you comfort me? Dear Jesus, be my Savior, and my soul shall live. 4. Lay bare all the feelings, thoughts and longings which are the result of your depression to your confessor or director, in all humility and faithfulness. Seek the society of spiritually minded people, and frequent such as far as possible while you are suffering. Above all, struggle against low moods and don't be resigned to them. Seek treatment for depression that interferes with your daily life and relationships. Offer up the struggle as part of joining your sufferings with those of Jesus. God desires our peace of soul, and if we turn to Him and seek the help we need, God will answer in His way. Sign up on actcatholic.com for more videos.